How's it going, guys? It's Jayton back again today with what is chromium. But first, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to share this information with as many people as possible. So if you want to help support that mission, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you. And without further ado, let's hop into this one. So chromium is an essential mineral that is necessary for the survival of the human organism. Chromium was first discovered in 1797 by Louis-Nicholas Vaquelin. If I said that wrong, please correct me, while he was experimenting with Siberian Red Lead. Chromium is crucial for glucose control and proper insulin sensitivity. Chromium's current known mechanism is related to chromodulin, which is a protein that acts on the insulin receptor, making it more sensitive to insulin. The best food sources of chromium are beef, dairy, and fruit. Chromium supplementation has been shown to have benefits for increasing insulin sensitivity in dosages ranging around the 1,000 microgram range in the form of chromium picolinate being the most effective. Insulin by UMZU is an all-natural blood sugar stabilization supplement that has a clinical dose of chromium in it, along with a host of other extremely effective ingredients that are proven in gold standard clinical trials. These are randomized, placebo-controlled, double-blind trials that are effective, that have been shown that these ingredients are effective for increasing insulin sensitivity and blood glucose utilization. So if you're interested in that, you can check that out with the link in the description. And that's all I got for this video. Again, if you want to help support the mission of sharing this information with as many people as possible, please hit that subscribe button. Please hit the like button if you learned something, if you like this video, and then comment down below if you have any tips or tricks for me to make these videos better, or if you have any ideas for topics that you'd like me to cover, and I will add them to the list. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.